Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Ember, the podcast where learning English feels easy, warm, and fun. I'm Ella.
And I'm James. Hey! It is so wonderful to have you all here today. Ella, I have to ask, how was your morning today?
Oh, James, don't ask. I overslept by 15 minutes, and I couldn't find my left shoe for 5 whole minutes.
Just one shoe?
Just one. The right shoe was right there by the door. The left shoe was under the couch. I have no idea how it got there.
That is so relatable. I once went to work with 2 completely different socks. One gray, one black. My coworker pointed it out at lunch.
At lunch? You wore mismatched socks all morning and nobody said anything?
Nobody said a word. They were all very polite. But anyway, everyone, today's episode is all about morning routines.
Yes, this is such an important topic because we all have a morning routine, even if it feels a little chaotic sometimes.
Like a certain someone's missing shoe situation.
Okay. But before we get into our story, we have a small favor to ask. If you enjoy learning English with us, please hit that like button right now. It seriously helps us reach more learners around the world.
And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do it. We have new episodes every single week, and we don't want you to miss a single one.
And hey, if you have a friend or a family member who's learning English, share this episode with them. Learning together is so much more fun.
Okay, are we ready, Ella?
So ready. Everyone, let's listen to today's story for the very first time. Just relax and listen. Don't worry about every single word. Just enjoy it.
I love Daniel. He has the most organized morning I have ever heard of.
Right? He even says his checklist out loud before he leaves. Laptop, charger, water bottle, wallet, keys.
That is genius. I should start doing that. I forget my water bottle almost every day.
Okay, let's talk about the words. The very first thing Daniel says, his alarm goes off.
Goes off. That's a great phrasal verb. When an alarm goes off, it means the alarm starts making noise. It starts ringing or beeping.
Yes, and then Daniel hits the snooze button. James, do you hit the snooze button?
Every single morning, I hit it at least twice, sometimes 3 times. It's a real problem.
I only hit it once, but some mornings I turn the alarm off completely by accident and then I sleep for another hour.
Oh no, that's the worst feeling, waking up and realizing you're really late.
The panic is unreal. But Daniel is very disciplined. He hits it once and then gets up. Then he stretches.
I love that he stretches first. Stretch means to extend your arms, legs, and back. It helps your muscles wake up. It's really good for your body.
I stretch every morning too. It only takes a few minutes, but it makes such a difference.
And then he splashes cold water on his face. Splash, that's when you throw a little bit of water on something quickly.
I love cold water in the morning. James, I know you said you can't do it.
I absolutely cannot. Cold water on my face at 6:40 a.m.? No. My body says no. My soul says no.
Fair enough. But he says it wakes him up completely. Then he brushes his teeth for 2 full minutes while listening to music.
2 full minutes is the correct amount of time. Dentists recommend 2 minutes. I've been trying to do this, but 2 minutes feels so long when you're half asleep.
It does. I listen to one song while I brush. It helps.
That's a great tip. Okay, then he takes a shower. He says he's not brave enough for a cold shower.
Brave enough. I love that phrase. It means you don't have enough courage to do something.
Cold showers are very popular right now. People say they're amazing for energy and focus, but I am also not brave enough.
Maybe one day. Then Daniel does something really smart. He picks out his clothes the night before.
Pick out means to choose or select, and choosing your clothes the night before is such a good idea. It saves so much time in the morning.
I started doing this last year and it changed my mornings completely. No more standing in front of the closet for 10 minutes.
I still stand in front of my closet every morning. I know what I want to wear, I just can't decide.
That's the same problem. And then breakfast, scrambled eggs and toast with black coffee.
Scrambled eggs, that is a very American breakfast. Scrambled are eggs that are mixed together while cooking. They're soft and fluffy.
I love scrambled eggs and black coffee. No milk, no sugar.
I respect people who drink black coffee. I need milk and sugar. I need it to be more like dessert.
That's not coffee, James. That's warm dessert in a cup.
And it is delicious. But okay, Daniel eats at the table with no phone and no TV. That is very impressive.
No distractions. That's the word. Distraction. A distraction is something that pulls your attention away from what you're doing.
I always have my phone at breakfast. I check messages, I scroll. I probably shouldn't do that.
It's better to just be present. Enjoy the food, enjoy the quiet morning.
You're right. Then Daniel packs his bag and says the items out loud. Laptop, charger, water bottle, wallet, keys.
I love this habit. Saying things out loud helps your brain remember them. It's a real memory technique.
I'm definitely starting this tomorrow. Then he walks to the bus stop, 8 minutes. He says it's fresh outside and he can think clearly.
Fresh is such a beautiful word for morning air. Cool, clean, alive. I love that feeling.
Me too. There's something about morning air that just feels different from afternoon air.
And finally, he arrives at work feeling calm, focused, and ready. And he says his morning routine sets the tone for the whole day.
Sets the tone. That means it determines the mood or feeling of everything that follows. A good morning routine sets a positive tone for the whole day.
So true. When my morning goes well, my whole day goes well. When I lose my shoe, less so.
The shoe story will live forever. Okay, everyone. If you are still listening right now, write the word morning in the comments below.
Yes, write morning so we know you're here. We love seeing your comments.
All right, let's listen to Daniel's morning routine one more time. This time, you know the vocabulary, you know the phrases. See how much more you understand.
Listen closely, pay attention to the phrasal verbs and the feeling words. Here we go. That was so much clearer the second time, wasn't it?
So much better. Repetition really works. Okay, let's do a quick recap of today's key words and phrases.
We started with the alarm. The alarm goes off. It starts ringing.
Then, hit the snooze button. Delay your alarm for a few more minutes of sleep.
We learned stretch, extending your muscles to wake them up.
Splash cold water, throwing a little water on your face quickly.
Pick out your clothes, choosing what to wear.
Scrambled eggs, a soft mixed egg dish, a very classic American breakfast.
Distraction, something that pulls your focus away.
And sets the tone, determines the mood for everything that follows.
So many useful phrases. And the best part, you can use all of them to describe your own morning.
Try it right now. Say to yourself, my alarm goes off at, I hit the snooze button at, I make blank for breakfast. I leave the house at.
The more you practice, the more natural it feels. Every morning is an English practice opportunity.
Well, Ella, I think it's almost time to wrap up.
Already? I feel like we just started.
Time flies when you're having fun and learning English.
It really does. Before we go, we want to hear about your morning routine. What time does your alarm go off? Do you hit snooze? What do you eat for breakfast?
Tell us everything in the comments. We read every single comment, and we absolutely love hearing about your lives.
And please, subscribe to English Ember if you haven't already. Give this episode a like, share it with someone who's learning English.
You are all working so hard, and it shows. Every word you learn, every sentence you practice, it all adds up.
Keep going. You are doing amazing.
Until next time, everyone.
Goodbye. See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.